Today's recipe is going to be very unique and different from the rest and is a very special for those who are managing their weight. These beetroot lentil kebabs are going to be your favorite vegan and gluten-free kebabs. However, if you are not vegan or vegetarian, you are still going to be in love with these kebabs. I am not a vegetarian either, but these beetroot lentil kebabs are some of my favorite, and especially for my husband who is managing his weight nowadays. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe, a healthy kebab recipe. Now let's check the ingredients before I move forward. And the ingredients are cumin powder, red chili flakes, chaat masala, salt, and with that walnut, beetroot, carrot, onion, coriander leaves chopped, and boiled freshly chickpeas. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, we need a chopper, but don't worry, if you don't have a chopper, you can use a mixer grinder and churn for 1 to 2 times and you will get this chopped vegetables within a minute. Now in a chopper, add 1 medium-sized onion, 1 small carrot, 1 medium-sized beetroot, then add 4 to 5 walnut, then add handful of coriander leaves. Now cover it and chop until it turns very fine. These healthy beetroot walnut kebab are the perfect appetizer. They are healthy and delicious, made with freshly grated beetroot and few other vegetables and aromatic spices. They taste great and a great vegetarian burger patty too. Now our veggies are chopped well. Transfer this to a mixing bowl, and then into it slowly we will add all other ingredients. First of all, you need to add half cup of chickpea which is boiled, and then with the help of a mixer grinder make a fine paste. After that you need to add this, though don't forget to soak this chickpea overnight. Now into it add some spices. First of all, add half teaspoon of cumin powder, then add half teaspoon of chaat masala. Next, half teaspoon of chili flakes, though you can adjust according to your taste bud. Salt as per your requirement. Then mix everything well with your hand. Next, once you've done the mixing of everything nicely, then make small lemon-sized balls and flatten on your palm. Though if you think it's not coming as a ball, then you can add 1 teaspoon of roasted chickpea flour. After adding that, you can get easily this ball-shaped patty. And once you are done with this entire, then paste this small cutie little pies and roast from both sides on the hot grill by using little bit of oil. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes to get nicely golden brown from both the sides. Or if you want, you can bake it by applying little bit of oil with brush on both sides of the kebab. And in 180 degrees centigrade, you can bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep check it as it will be easily get burned. In the same manner, cook them on both sides till they feel crispy and cooked. After that, turn them over very carefully with the help of a flat spatula or with a spoon. After that, at the top, add some walnut. Though you know that having walnut in your everyday diet has a great advantage to your health. Walnuts are rich in nutrients. They deliver healthy fats, can help in gut and heart health. They help reduce blood pressure, can benefit from brain health. Walnuts offer cancer protection. Even it plays a great role in weight regulation. So enjoy this kebab with walnut, and after that, remove it from the griddle and quickly serve in a serving plate and enjoy this with yogurt or any dip of your choice. So this little cutie bites are a great source of protein, and after workout this is the decent meal. which my husband like to have to help his muscle recover and build. So if you think today's recipe is worth it and you really like it, especially those who are vegetarian out there, then don't forget to comment in my comment section below. And those who are new, please do subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So when I upload my next video, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Bye bye.